Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a document in the Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just select a document that we want to share. And then we just tap on the three dots in the top right corner. And tap on share and export, and then tap on share. And here we can just type on people, the email address of these people or groups, and then send this invitation to them. And also we can manage access here. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.